You asked, how to divide 8568 by 3 using the long division method. 8 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 16 minus 15 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2856.